Right, hi, good morning. This is Trinidad. I'm leaving Trinidad and heading over to Tobago.
Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I eat, live, travel with Bitcoin.
Hi, good morning. We are reached Tobago. It's a big fucking place, man. Not a small island, it's huge. No islands are small, just on the maps they seem small. Hey, host here.
Hey, what's up?
Welcome to Tobago. He's Jamaican, but
Yes, Jamaican in Tobago.
wow, man.
Yeah, so
Let's go.
Head to the car.
Yeah.
Get down the road.
So, blessings.
Alright.
Yo, what's up? So I just came in and I'm just taking a boat tour now. It's cheap as fuck, $15. That was nothing. Let's just go in here. This is the boat tour, snorkeling. So wide. They exported sand from Tobago all to the Arab countries. It's beautiful sand. Something awesome they do is they stop on this little island and you just have fun. Swim, chill, too much music. If you can get a private boat, have fun. But now heading back. This is what you get in $15. Let's go. Alright, hi, good morning. I am in Tobago. I'm heading over to the waterfall. And they told me to take a taxi. I couldn't find, so I'm taking a shared taxi. This cost was 10 TT. I just had myself a banana for 4 TT, one doubles for 6 TT. And now I'm off the way. I'm gonna show how it goes by taxi. It's gonna be a challenge. Let's go. Alright, so you take a bus like this. It's gonna cost you like 12 to reach here. And yeah. It's about 23 kilometers to Roxborough, and from Roxborough then I have to figure it out what my life is. This is like a sharing taxi, it's empty. It's like a van. And if you want to take the public transport, you have to buy the ticket well in advance, which I didn't do. Let's just go. That's a beautiful first time. Alright, hi, welcome to Roxborough. Waterfalls Falls is a kilometer walk. There are practically no cars. It is so quiet here. Maximum water I've seen in a waterfall in places that I've been to. Check that out. Yes. Explore more. Just gonna head out. Yeah, just gonna head back down, then try to reach the hummingbird place. I do not know how, but let's try. Alright, so I waited for an hour for this ride. I was just sitting by the road, eating my curry, roti, and then this beautiful lady passed by and I'm on the way to the Shunderland, some hummingbird place. I'll put on the name once we are there. But let's just go. I do not know how I will come back, but let's do the journey. It's been long since I hitchhiked. It's been long, forever. And I'll back up the truck. We made it here, and they're filled with hummingbirds. There's so many. Just come look. Hi. Hello. Mother Nature, thank you. Alright, so I'm back. I reached safely. I found a taxi, and here finally a sunset, and that's the end of the day. So far it's been fucking amazing. I've been grateful, and here we are. This is the Tobago sunset. Chill out, peace out. Drone shots tomorrow from the city. Yo, good morning. This is Tobago, Crown Point Airport. Running. Thanks to these wonderful clouds, I'm able to run this spot. It is hot. I slept in, I was really tired. And it's like 8:40 a.m. now, 8:35. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, Jesus. That's one of my favorite runs. Some sand. Tobago. Welcome to Tobago. Alright, hi, what's up? This is Tobago. I'm at Stone Bay, and I was told something to eat here. And this is fucking amazing. I have got myself some crab curry and some dumplings. Must try. I'm gonna eat this. You're gonna see me record a minute of this, but eat this not on Satoshi's, but try the local cuisine. Buen provecho. Let's go. This is crab. It's painful to eat, but this is delicious, easy to eat. You're gonna enjoy it. You're gonna struggle, no problem, but look at it. Alright, hi, good morning. This is the end of my Tobago. I'm off to Trinidad. That's my boat. A new one today. It's James. And stay in Trinidad for a day. Tomorrow I fly out to Suriname. I like Tobago. It's been so chill. Like, even though you want to go out, you'll end up going home and sleeping at 11 because you're all the day on the beach and just having fun. I loved it. Got to meet a fellow Bitcoiner, and he says to walk inside. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna have to walk inside. But yeah, vamonos, and let's see how Trini goes the last day.